Good morning, members of GOC. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go live for the Iron Fist 14 8.0 white pages. This book has not been pressed and cleaned, so it is a press and clean candidate, in case you are wondering. Alright, guys, we are live. And I've got the world clock up here as well. I'm going to be adding that here and there. It's 11:51. We've got 11:51 here, and we're going to go to our random.org. This is for the Iron Fist. And I'm going to copy this over. 140 spots. Thank you for the quick under 30-minute fill on this and the quick payments. I do appreciate that, everyone. All right, we're going to go ahead and we're going to roll the 3 dice. 5, 6, 7. That's 3. There's 4. It's 5. 6. All right, guys. Top spot takes this beautiful book home, and the winner is spot 18, Jason Brodnick. Congratulations, Jason. We're going to scroll down. We're going to get our CXUJCG. There's your verification code. It's 11:53 here, 11:53 here, and I'm just going to show you this one because it's up there. So let me refresh it. There it goes. It refreshed itself. 11:53 there. Congratulations again. It does show the results of 7 rounds. Top spot. Congrats, guys. We are done. Winners, please PM me and I will get this out to you. Congratulations.